Hello traveler, in this video I'm going to tell you about importance of the planetary cycles WD Gann used in his market analysis. In order to understand WD Gann's idea of a squaring of time and price, we need to consider the cyclical nature of the markets. WD Gann observed that very often market repetition coincides with planetary cycles. The planetary cycle is the time when the planet orbits the Sun. It completes a 360-degree orbit. This time is different for each planet. Market peaks and bottoms very often occur when a planet or planets completes a full cycle, resulting in a change of trend, and the market begins to go in the opposite direction. Trend changes usually occur when nobody expects it, and the effects of these changes can often be very painful, as you can see. You probably have seen it so many times. Investors close their positions in panic, which further intensifies the change of a trend. The planetary cycles are as follows. Mercury cycle is 88 days, Venus 225 days. For Mars it takes 687 days to orbit completely the Sun, Jupiter 4333 days, or nearly 12 years. Saturn 10,756 days, which is 20 years and a half. Uranus 30,707 days, which is 84 years, nearly exactly, and Neptune 60,223 days, 160 years. So you wouldn't live the whole cycle of Neptune. We still got two important factors, two important orbits. It's moon sidereal and moon synodic cycle. Sidereal is 27.3 days and moon synodic cycle is 29.5 days. It comes from, we've got two moon cycles because the Earth is constantly moving along its orbit about the Sun. The moon must travel a little bit more than 360 degrees to get from one new moon to the next one. Thus the synodic month, or as we call it, a lunar month, is longer than the sidereal month. A sidereal month lasts 27.3 days, while a synodic month lasts 29.5, as I said before. So we still got a sidereal year and synodic year. So sidereal year is 12 months by 27.3, which makes roughly 328 days, and synodic year we do the same. We multiply 29.5 days by 12 months, and we've got 354 days. Here we've got the example of Mercury. It's 88 orbiting time. So you see here from this top 88 days comes somewhere here. 88 days, here we go. So as you see, the market reversed here after ending up the cycle. Here we got another pair, is a cable which I marked with Venus. So from the top to the bottom to the other top, we got 225 days. After a small consolidation, the market went further down. And another one, we got Australian dollar, US dollar. From this bottom to this bottom, we've got 787 days, alright, whatever. So it's just for you as an example. As I said before, WD Gann used planetary cycles as a time factor in trying to determine market turning points. If you find a trend from the past on your chart that lasted, let's say, 450 days, then there is a really high probability that Venus just performed 2 full cycles. I remind you, one cycle of Venus is 225 days, or you might say it's 5 cycles of Mercury, which is 88 days, and 88 multiplied by 5 makes 440 days. If, for example, the trend stopped after about 700 days and the market entered the consolidation phase, it means that Mars has completed its full cycle. I remind you, is 687 days. So it is pretty possible that we will get reverse in the nearest future. All these numbers are extremely important. Gann used them to specify time intervals, as we call it, the cycles. The market is a living body. It vibrates harmonically according to the rules defined by the vibrations of the universe. The harmony of these vibrations creates trends and reverses them. Welcome to the world of harmony of the universe, traveler. See you next time.